Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 360 baby cup on the market, the Munchkin Sippy cup designed for babies 6 months and up. If you're a parent or caregiver looking for a reliable, spill-proof cup to help your little one transition from bottle or breast to independent drinking, this is definitely a product worth knowing about. The Munchkin Miracle 360 Toddler Cup stands out because of its innovative 360-degree drinking edge. Unlike traditional sippy cups that have spouts or straws, this cup allows your child to drink from anywhere around the rim, just like a regular cup. This design not only mimics natural drinking but also supports healthy oral development by encouraging normal muscle use in the mouth. What's truly impressive is that the cup automatically seals itself as soon as your child stops drinking. This means no more spills, leaks, or messes on your floors, bags, or furniture. This particular model comes as a set of 2, each holding 7 ounces, which is an ideal size for toddlers. The handles are designed with little hands in mind, easy to grip and hold, making it perfect for developing fine motor skills. Plus, the cup's spoutless design is dentist recommended, which gives peace of mind to parents concerned about their child's dental health. Cleaning the Munchkin Miracle 360 cup is a breeze. Unlike many sippy cups that have multiple valves, parts, or spouts, this cup is simple with no extra components that trap residue or create hassle. You can easily wash it by hand or place it in the dishwasher's top rack, saving valuable time for busy parents. Made from BPA-free plastic, the cup is safe for everyday use and suitable for cold or room temperature drinks. Its compact dimensions make it convenient to carry along, whether you're at home, on the go, or traveling. And the vibrant pink and purple color scheme adds a fun and cheerful touch that toddlers love. Beyond the practical features, Munchkin has truly created a cup that bridges the gap between bottles and regular cups with a design that children can master quickly and confidently. The spill-proof technology combined with the ease of use encourages toddlers to drink independently, fostering their confidence and reducing parent stress. Overall, if you're looking for a sippy cup that is easy to clean, spill-proof, supports dental health, and is comfortable for toddlers to use, the Munchkin Miracle 360 Toddler Cup is an excellent choice. It's a thoughtful product designed with both kids and parents in mind, making the sometimes tricky transition stage smoother and less messy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.